with your boy AJ Phoenix Unboxings. So this is none other than, let's get it here, the Crow. Now this is basically a remake, relook, and a new version of the Crow. That's the only way I can describe it. They wanted to do something completely different to Brandon Lee, but still play tribute to Brandon Lee as he performed it. So if I got that right, I think I got that right in the thing. So that is, you can see on my screen on there. So I'm going to do the unboxing. I'm going to take the plastic off, and then you can actually see what's going on. So kids, always get an adult to do any of the cutting before you do any cutting. I think I did that right. Hell yeah, hell yeah. So what you guys and girls had for Christmas? I'd love to know. Here we go. So is that better? And the guy is, I can't remember his name, Bill Skitsgard, or Skirtsgard, however you say it. He's the guy that did It, the clown, and I think he's an amazing actor. I'm gonna get the cover off. Oh, that's wicked what I've just seen. Peel that off. Let me show you this first, guys. As you can see, there you go. The Crow upside down. And the Crow SteelBook edition. Look at that. That is pretty awesome artwork. All designed in crows to create the actual. That is wicked. And obviously, I forgot about the spine. Get me outside. Focus what's in front. Don't then. Okay, so I like it. I like it. Nice. So we've got a special treatment on both discs, and if you're wondering what I mean by special treatment, the actual cover art on each disc, that's what I mean. Some companies don't do it, they just put it blue or red or whatever and put the writing. But I really prefer the cover art. It makes it look nice. It don't take any effort. You just put it in a machine, it prints the cover art on the disc. That's it. Obviously it costs, but it's worth it. So guys and girls, that is it for the Crow. New look at the new version, and obviously he's going to do an amazing job. He's going to play tribute to Brandon Lee. So I'm out of breath now. And I just want to say Merry Christmas to you all. I probably said this in the previous videos of today. So Merry Christmas, and everything that I'm doing you will see today. And yes, I'm off. So peace out guys and girls. See you next video, and take care of the loved ones, and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.
You find me in the furnace.